Welcome back to Auto Info Master, where we bring the best insights into the world of automobiles. Today we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup truck, a nostalgic blend of classic American muscle and modern innovation. Ever wondered what would happen if Chevrolet brought back a legend from the 50s with a futuristic twist? Well, this might be the answer. Chevrolet has revived the iconic 3100 pickup, a truck that defined the golden era of pickups. This time they've crafted it with cutting-edge technology while preserving its timeless charm. The first glance is enough to make you fall in love. The front grille immediately takes you back to the original model, with its signature chrome horizontal bars, but now with LED headlamps seamlessly integrated into the vintage design. The round headlights give it that old-school attitude, while the modern LED DRLs provide a bold contrast, making it a perfect blend of retro and future. Move to the side, and you'll notice the wide stance, bold wheel arches, and 20-inch alloy wheels that add a muscular vibe to this pickup. The lines are clean yet powerful, with subtle chrome accents along the window frames and door handles. It's not trying to be flashy, just effortlessly cool. Chevrolet has nailed the balance between classic proportions and modern aerodynamics. The two-tone paint job, especially in the nostalgic Victory Red and Alpine White combo, is an absolute head-turner. At the back, the magic continues. The vintage staffel tailgate proudly displays the embossed Chevrolet logo, just like the original. The taillights get a sleek LED treatment without losing that old-school rectangular shape. The wooden bed floor with polished metal strips is a nod to the past, reminding us of a time when pickups were more about craftsmanship than just utility. But what's hiding under the hood? That's where Chevrolet really surprises us. The 20253-100 is powered by a fully electric powertrain, a modern twist that no one saw coming. It's equipped with a 200 kW electric motor, pushing out around 268 horsepower, making it not just a showpiece, but a real performer on the road. The battery pack gives it a range of around 320 kilometers on a full charge, proving that classic style doesn't have to come at the cost of modern efficiency. And if you're thinking this vintage beauty is all about looks, think again. It comes with independent front suspension, disc brakes, and advanced safety features like lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that blends nostalgia with luxury. The dashboard is a mix of retro dials and a hidden digital infotainment screen that only lights up when the truck is on. The leather seats with contrasting stitching, chrome accents, and vintage-style steering wheel make the experience feel like you've stepped into a time machine, but one equipped with wireless charging and Apple CarPlay. Now, the big question: how much does it cost? The starting price is around $85,000, which makes it more of a collector's item than a workhorse. But here's the thing: this isn't just a truck, it's a statement, a celebration of heritage with the heart of the future. Chevrolet is only making 1,000 units, making it an instant classic from day one. So, who is this truck really for? It's for those who appreciate the beauty of the past but want to drive into the future. It's not just about horsepower or range, it's about preserving the spirit of an era while embracing what's next. Would you love to see this legend roaring down the streets again? Or should Chevy have kept it locked in the history books? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey back in time with a glimpse of the future, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Info Master, where every ride has a story. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.